Hello friends, welcome back to my channel RishitInspiringKids. Today I'm going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. If you can answer these questions, please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button, please subscribe. Let's get started. The first question is, are you really going to call dash the trip? In, off, on, out. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is off. Call off means to cancel something. Your next question is, let's put the meeting until next week. Out, away, off, in. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is off. Put off means to postpone something. Your next question is, I can't put dash my noisy neighbor any longer. Down with, in with, out with, up with. Your time starts now. Your correct answer is up with. Uh, what up with means to tolerate something or someone. Your next question is, I bought a beautiful dress at the mall. What is the beautiful here? Preposition, adjective, noun. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is adjective. Because beautiful is describing the noun dress. Whether the dress is beautiful, whether the dress is dirty, whether the dress is brand new, and yeah, etc. Your next question is, what did she ask you to do? What is the she here? Conjunction, preposition, pronoun. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is pronoun. Your next question is, I left my shoes under the table. Adjective, preposition, and pronoun. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is preposition. Your next question is, this is dash useful book. A, the, and. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is a. The correct article to use before useful is a, because the word useful starts with a consonant sound. Your next question is, if we finish our work quickly, we can go to the movies. Adverb, conjunction, verb. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Adverb. Our next question is I really need that book, but I will just have to make do dash this one. 4, 2, with. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is with. Make do with means to have to use something instead something else that is more appropriate. Our next question is we dash in English. Speak, speaks, none of them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is speak. Your next question is I have a computer. Buy, bought, none of them. Your time starts now. The correct answer is bought. Bought is correct because with have we use third form of the verb. The next question is on Saturdays I work from 9 to 5. Verb preposition. Adverb. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is verb. Our next question is you are dash too loudly. Talking, talks, talked, talk. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is talking. Here with the R we use the verb ing form talking. That's why there is talking. The next question is Andy knocked on the door but nobody answered. Adjective, adverb, conjunction, verb. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is conjunction. Your next question is there is dash water in the jug. Enough, heavy, huge. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is enough. Your next question is Sherry is the dash girl in the class. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is most intelligent. Here we are we're comparing between Sherry and the class. Now now we are comparing more than two things. Here because of that we will use here superlative degree. Most intelligent. Your next question is studying is dash then watching television. Important, more important, most important. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is more important. Here we are comparing with two things, studying and watching television. So that's why we are using here the comparative degrees. Our next question is, comparative degree for young will be younger, youngest, none of them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is younger. Here, our comparative degree is younger and our superlative degree is youngest. Our next question is, I have pairs of jeans. A, 2, none of them. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is A. Your next question is, this umbrella is very colorful enough. What? Your time starts now. And your correct answer is colorful. Thank you guys. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.